Oh, didn't see you there. Hello, I'm going to tell you a story. But first, let me introduce myself. My name is Hennata Chandra, and I am from SMA Catholic Ignatius SLAMET RIYADI Bojonegoro. Now, let me tell you a story about a shy and quiet octopus. Once upon a time, there was a shy and quiet octopus. He nearly always went about on his own because of his mind. He wanted to have lots of friends, but he was too self-conscious. And because he's so self-conscious, he was often bullied by other octopus. Well, one day, while the octopus was sleeping, another octopus sneaked up to him and tangled his tentacles into one massive knot. When he woke up, he saw himself all tangled up. He tried with all his strength to wiggle free, but it was no good. In the end, he was all left tangled up. He didn't want to ask for help because he was so shy, until a little fish saw him all tangled up and decided to free him. After freeing the octopus, the little fish said, Are you okay, Mr. Octopus? And the octopus said, No, I'm fine, thanks. And the octopus quickly swam off. Later that night, the octopus thought to himself that he had wasted such a good opportunity to make friends with the fish. He thought to himself, dang, I guess I'll be lonely again. Why didn't I think to accept his kindness? Well, a few days later, the octopus was resting behind some rocks when suddenly he saw an enormous fish feeding in his area. The big fish said, so hard to find good fish these days that tastes wonderful. And so, after the octopus heard that, the octopus quickly tried to find another safe place to hide. But just as he was about to hide, he saw the little fish from yesterday getting chased by the big fish. And so, the octopus fought long and hard to save the little fish or not. In the end, of course, the octopus did what he thought was right and tried to save the little fish. He swam in front of the big fish and shot his ink all over the big fish, took the fish and swam off. Later, after finding a more safe spot, the little fish said, Wow, thanks. And the octopus said, Wait, what's that behind you? Apparently, it was the big fish chasing after them again. And so, the octopus instinctively picked up the little fish and swam off again. And luckily, this time, the octopus and the little fish was able to escape. And so, the octopus said, are you okay? I'm sorry I picked you up weirdly. And the little fish said, No problem, thanks. What you did was awesome. You saved me. And so, the octopus said once more, Yeah, no problem, man. And so, the octopus quickly swam off because he was still shy, and the fish also swam off. Later, a few days later, while the octopus was resting in his home, he heard a lot of noise outside and thought, what could that be? And so the octopus decided to take a look. After taking a look, he was surprised to see a school of fish coming in front of him to thank him. Apparently, the little fish told all his friends about him and decided to thank him by coming to his home. And so, the once shy and quiet octopus became a brave and honorable octopus. And so, the moral of the story is, Agnes can overcome shyness. Thank you.